Hi kids, today we will learn English alphabet with brush pens. Okay?
This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for hand. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.